Hey guys, this is 𝐓-𝐸𝐬 with another tutorial whether how you can connect your LinkedIn account with Buffer. Well, to connect your LinkedIn, go to your Buffer account, and to connect it, either you can go to channels under your profile menu and click on connect channel to find and connect. Or you can find LinkedIn in the sidebar on the home page. Here, click on LinkedIn and sign in with its credentials. Then click on allow to give it access. And then click on finish connection to confirm it. And here you can see your LinkedIn account has just been connected. And you can start scheduling your posts for LinkedIn either by clicking on this plus sign or new post here. And this is how you can connect your LinkedIn account with Buffer. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to support by hitting the like and subscribe and sharing your thoughts in the comment section. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.